115. So we have a difference. In this case, we're not going to enter the /C, which is the room calibration, and I'm gonna show you that we're not going to change that, and we're going to enter that by pressing the set button here. Just long press it. When PS appear, release, press set again, and let's enter 22 for the password. Then press set, and let's locate for /C1 and here. So it's set to 00. We're not going to calibrate this. Instead, we're going to exit that, and I'm going to replace the sensor, and I'm gonna show you what's the faulty here, why we have a difference, 114 here and 78 here. Alright, now take a look, guys. I'm going to change this into resistance reading, and I'm going to measure this sensor, pipe sensor of air conditioning, and I got a reading of 9.29 or 9.30 kilo ohms. So I keep on saying on my blog that the NTC sensor is range from 7 to 10 kilo ohms. Okay, and then I'm going to remove this sensor here, so you will know, just in case you encounter the difference temperature. And there we got an alarm. After that, and I'm going to measure this as well. See, I just press the set button to silence, otherwise some will get annoyed and start messaging me about the annoyance sound. There is it. Here's the sensor I just take out, and look for the reading. It's 4.7 kilo ohms. 4.7 kilo ohms. I'm going to get it, this, so you will see it. It's a 4.7 kilo ohms. Now I'm going to install the 9 point something. We're going to install it, and let's check if it is happening again. And take a look, guys. It reads 80.6. And let's bring back my probe for temperature. And to the temperature, just set it there. Okay, this is degrees Fahrenheit, guys. So take a look now. I got 78 here, I got 80 here. Alright, so the temperature is near now. Alright, so that's how you're going to troubleshoot, just in case you encounter the difference in the temperature from your controller to the measuring device that you're going to use in order to calibrate the unit or the refrigerator. And this is the culprit, so you don't need to calibrate this. Carel easy, and that's the model. Alright, so I have uploaded video last night and this morning that I said I'm going to test the output for the compressor of this. And as if you notice, I have a wire here from the compressor, terminal number 3, and it goes and supply this receptacle here. I'm sorry guys, I don't have an extension. We have an extension, but I fuck up. The surge protection is active. I want to bypass, but I don't have the soldering iron yet. So here is it, and this is my fan, and I'm going to put it to number 1 and take a look. See, spinning. You hear that, right? Off. Turn on. That's it. So this one, it has a pass inside. They condemn it for safety purposes. Just replace it with new and condemn it. And I took it, I wash it, and here is it. Now take a look with the temperature. It's being fixed. Thanks for watching, everyone. Dito, kahit saan ka pumaling, and ito mo is dagat. Kung titignan mo kasi sa mapa, is nasa gitna kanina, North Atlantic Ocean.